Hi everyone, it's Nicole from Sydney English Teacher, and thanks for joining me for another tongue twister. Are you ready? This is a funny one. 9 nice night nurses nursing nicely. Sounds relatively easy, but let's see if we can do it a little bit faster. 9 nice night nurses nursing nicely. Woo! Not bad. Let's try again together. 9 nice night nurses nursing nicely. 9 nice night nurses nursing nicely. 9 nice night nurses nursing nicely. Wow. Okay. You try by yourself. Really well done. That's great. 9 nice night nurses nursing nicely. 9 nice night nurses nursing nicely. So practice that one by yourself, getting faster and faster as you progress. Thanks so much for listening, and come back again soon for another tongue twister. Thanks.